Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the new skincare range, which is a collaboration range with Revolution Beauty and SALI HUGHES. I'm going to keep this short and sweet, so let's make a start. So I got sent all of these products, and there are 5 products that I got sent in total. So we've got 2 cleansers, we have an exfoliant, we have a vitamin C serum, and we have a moisturizer. So let's get the negative out of the way first, and then we'll talk about the positives. So the first negative is, and this is part of the website as well, at least for me, it states that they work with some of the best formulators. Well, if that's the case, then why is fragrance so high up on the list in all of these that I have -1? So pretty much 4 out of the 5 contain fragrance. The cleansers, the moisturizers, the serum, they all contain fragrance. And it isn't the last on the list either. It's more in that middle ground area. And it would be one thing if it smelled really divine, but it doesn't. I don't think so at all. I find it to be a very, very old-fashioned smell. But it's worth noting, I'm very sensitive to fragrance. I do not like it in skincare at all. However, there are products I like that do have fragrance in. Dermalogica, even though it's a more natural fragrance, it's still a fragrance. Eve Lom Cleanser, which I think is amazing, it's still a fragrance. But I find this fragrance to be very old-fashioned, kind of almost medicinal smell. I don't quite know how to, everybody's sense is different. But if the formulation or the formulators were so great, you think they know that putting fragrance in it is not a good idea, particularly that high up on the list. That's the main negative. Now let's talk about the positives. First of all, the price point. The price point is quite high when you look at Revolution Beauty products, but it's still really pretty affordable. £15 for an exfoliant here that has 150 mils in it is an excellent value. So let's talk about the cleansers first. You've got a clean sheet cleanser, which is your morning cleanser, and then you've got the Makeup Meltdown cleanser. And both of these are very, very, very good. They leave your face feeling incredibly soft, smooth, not irritated at all. Excellent, excellent cleansers. They really are. I find that the Makeup Melt is just really good. It's really good. There's that smell, but very, very good indeed. Let's talk about the moisturizer, which is the Cream Drench Anytime Moisturizer. There you go. Does not contain SPF as far as I'm aware. There's that smell. It's really not that horrific. It's just, you know, something like fragrance can trigger headaches for me, so I'm just not a fan. But the moisturizer itself is incredibly dreamy, and I mean that. It is a very old-fashioned type of moisturizer, and that is a very good thing. It goes onto the skin, it soaks into the skin, makeup glides over it. Oh. Otherwise, it is absolute dream on skin that needs moisture, and as a primer, because makeup will literally slide across it. It is wonderful as a makeup primer. Let's talk about the must-see, SALI HUGHES must-see Anytime Daily Serum. This can be used at night, by the way. This is a vitamin C serum, along with other host of brilliant actives and ingredients, including niacinamide. You get the gist. There's 30 mils of product in here. By the way, I'm sorry, the moisturizer contains 50 mils. The cleanser contains 100 mils. And the Makeup Melt contains 80 mils or 80 grams. So ironically, this is, I mean, not ironically, this is the least offensive in terms of smells. There is pretty much hardly any smell to this. No, I lied, there is, but it goes on incredibly smoothly. It really does. It has a really, really beneficial set of ingredients in it. It really does. And of all of them, apart from the next one, which is pretty amazing, it is a really good product for those of you who want to dip your toe into those kind of vitamin C type serums. The standout of the line is the Placid 5-acid daily exfoliant, which can be used once a day. Now, when I was sent all these products, I reached out to the team behind it, or at least the team who sent me it, and asked if they could give me the pH level of this product. My exact email was, "Thank you so much, I received them. Could you let me know what the pH level is of the exfoliant, please?" And they responded by saying, "Thank you so much. That was it. So I don't know what the pH level is, but from using it and testing it, I absolutely don't doubt that it's within the range for it to exfoliate, which tends to be around about 3 to 4.5 in terms of pH. As you go higher, its ability to exfoliate stops. I did a whole video on it. 5 acids, alpha hydroxy, beta hydroxy, the whole list of acids you can stick in it, she stuck in it. And it's very good. There was a slight tingle on my skin, which does lead me to believe that the pH level is low enough for it to work. And it does have a brightening effect on the skin. It's 15 pounds or just under, and it's 150 mils of product. It is excellent value for what you're getting here. Yes, I'd love to know the pH value, but I don't. But because of that tingling, it even smells acidic. It's definitely within that range, therefore it works. A quick roundup. The products are really good if you want to dip your toe in, or you're a big fan of SALI HUGHES, as I am. She's a great journalist. Then by all means, enjoy. For me, this isn't something other than the acid that I would use daily on myself, apart from the acid, because it's too fragrance for me. The smell is just overwhelming on my very sensitive nose, and I'm just going to get a whacking headache if I were to apply this to my face on a daily basis. But honestly, it's a very, very good range, very good price point. Just careful if you're sensitive to fragrance. Let me know what you think about all these products. If you've used them, I'd love to know. The exfoliant is excellent. It really, really, really is. Really is. Thanks for watching. See you all soon, you gorgeous people. Bye-bye.